Hi friends, I've got a hair tutorial for you today. If you're struggling to find a really cute style when your hair perhaps needs a wash and you don't have the time, stay tuned. We're going to teach you how to do this style in two different ways, for a centre parting and for a side parting. Stay tuned if you want to learn how. So let me show you how easy it is. I'm going to take it down so you can see. All you need is 2 Kirby grips and a kind of clip like this. So if your hair is freshly washed and you want to do this, you're going to need to give it a bit of texture so it holds easier. So spray in some dry shampoo or some texturizer spray. So I will take this section here and I will just twist it. Keep twisting, keep twisting. Stop about there. Then with my Kirby grip, I'm going to go in and go back on myself here, and then I've finished this section. Now if you want to loosen it around your face, you can just pull it out a bit, give it a bit of a ruffle, so you know, if you want bits hanging down, depending on how you want your style, how neat you want it to look. Then with the other side, I take a slightly smaller section, so I still have this bit hanging down here, but I take a section here and I twist, and then I just simply get my Kirby grip, put it in, go back on itself to hold it, loosen it, just like that. Then you've got this section here. So this is where sometimes I'll spray a little bit of hairspray in this, just so it gives it a bit more grip. I'll gather it with my hand as if I'm going to do a ponytail, but I'll just gently twist this part here, hold it, and then I will loosely wrap it round to create a bun like that. Then we'll take this grip and I will just pop it in to secure it in place. And that is, you can play around. Sometimes it goes better than other days, but that's essentially my quick and easy lazy hairdo. Now if you want to see the side parting way, I'll quickly show you that way as well. So side parting, just as easy, gives a slightly different look. Again, if you've got a fringe, you could do this look. You just keep your fringe down and do from the side, so the parting's not super tidy, just to give it a kind of more undone look. So this time you're going to take the parting and you're going to loosely wrap it here, okay? Take your Kirby grip, put it in, go back on itself to secure, and then just loosen it. Then this section, same as last time, hold with a Kirby grip here, like so. Then this section, again, almost as if you were going to put it into a little side ponytail, but you just gently twist it and then wrap it into a bun and secure. And then you can play around with pulling bits out, making it look a bit more ruffled, a bit less sort of neater, depending on the look you want to go for. Hope that helps you. Hope I've inspired you to try something new with your hair, and see you soon. Bye!